Guys, what's going on? What's in the YouTube video? Hope you guys are enjoying the content, and if you are, it'd really show me that you guys do by smashing that like button for 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds is nothing, guys. Please smash it. Other videos are getting literally like people getting so many likes, and I try to be very consistent with you guys and realistic, so you guys actually understand with the market direction without any moon boy content and things like that. So please smash the like button. If we can get 30 likes, that'd be phenomenal. Like honestly, that'd be phenomenal. Like genuinely, like I told my patrons how busy I am this week, but I'm still doing my best to get these videos out. That's why it's a bit late, but yeah, it's crazy. But let's get straight into it. And right now you can see, obviously there's a bit of green coming out. It could be like a bit of, I'm thinking it's a bit of a dead cat bounce, giving people a bit of hype, thinking, okay, there's still hope, People buying it for long positions then get liquidated out. That's what I'm personally thinking, especially when Russia's coming out, we're starting saying that they're going to start, that they have gone in, and things are getting worse. And we can't exactly stop them, and we're trying to, but we can't. And as unfortunate as it is, there might be casualties, and that will obviously be not good at all for any of the markets. So as of right now, I'm predicting a bigger downside potential, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But you guys can see right here that, look at this, like there are a few coins that are actually rising. You can see that there's typical coins that are rising that usually fall the most. So like you can see here, 9% CARDANO Solana, they usually came down yesterday a lot. Terra's actually doing good, 15%. That's wicked in one day. Like that's ridiculous. You know what I mean? Like if you get a house, cost you 25 grand a deposit, it will literally be like 4% like this in a whole year. Like you can't understand that. Like this is actually pretty ridiculous. Like if you think about it, LITECOIN, one of my favorites. Tron, one of my favorites. I do like Tron, by the way, in case you guys are wondering. But you can see here. Let's get straight into the charts now. No messing about. Straight into the charts, guys. And you can see here. Let's go to the weekly time frame. So let's go to the week. You can see right now that we are actually testing these multiple highs. We got rejected up here multiple times, but right now we're currently testing these previous highs. And this is important because before we start falling, you want to actually make sure that we have checked all these resistances out, so we can actually start descending a bit more. Okay, that's what's important when in a downtrend. You want to make sure you're retesting the resistance to come down. Just like in an uptrend, let me show you. Just like in an uptrend, you usually go like this: come up, retest this, come up, retest this, come up, retest this, come up, retest this, come down, retest it again, and there you go. Do you know what I mean? So things like that is like really important. Okay, are really important, like legit, like they honestly are, because like if you think about it, if we just fall straight back down through all these, then we can easily just come straight back up and retest the highest one because we never tested it before. So you want to make sure that we are testing these things to make sure that they actually are resistant. We can't just go straight through them in like 3 seconds. So as of right now, you can see there's this clear and distinct flag pattern, okay, and we're currently pushing through that $106 level, and now we're about to fall down. And I say about to fall down simply because, yeah, okay, we have literally breached this 15 EMA with a candle close, but we've had multiple rejections of it, and we have actually broken above it multiple times before coming back down. So what can we expect right now? Well, let's go to the hourly time frame to actually start seeing what we can start looking for little signals, confidences to start sending a short, okay? Personally, oh by the way guys, I literally did a video, 2 videos on my iPad, LITECOIN and a Bitcoin, and then literally people started moving out of this room, people sleeping in this room, and I was like, okay, they've gone upstairs, let me try and squeeze a video in. So I'm trying to squeeze this in really fast for you guys, so that's what I'm saying, smash the like button please, because I'm trying to do so much for you guys right now. And you can see here, so we had 1 touch, 2 touch, potential touch up here before touchdown, before we start seeing a drop. And I would do expect to see a drop to about 102. If we do fall lower, then that's obviously brilliant. We're actually getting that at a lower price. But like you can see right here that the EMAs are looking to cross. If they cross, that's bullish. Okay, we might see a little pump to 112 before we start seeing a little decline back down. But for us to actually be short, I've told the patrons this, we actually need to see a break through these EMAs, a retest, and an engulfing candle to send us short. And that obviously will target the downside down there. So it's very important that we do actually understand that. We don't just trade blindly. You want to see a market structure break. We do have a PMSB, pre-market structure breakout, and that means we get in around here to trade the downside. But obviously we're not going to do that right now because usually we do that if the EMAs are above us, like coming down on us and they just about to cross, or if we have a double top coming in and we just broke the resistance and then we trade it down, we get a nice early entry into our trade, and we get a nice tight stop loss, and obviously you get like a 6% trade. That's how you actually get into the trades. If you guys are looking to learn that sort of stuff, the Discord is right here, and I can show you guys. We did literally just post a video. Yeah, I did post it straight away to you guys. Okay, here look, video analysis. See right here, I did literally just post it today at 8:12, and today the time is 8:19. So I did do all my videos on my iPad, as you can see. and now I'm just showing everyone here. And I did post videos here. That was yesterday. You see here yesterday. So everything's on there. If you guys do want to actually join and start earning and learning, that's actually good. Earning and learning. Obviously, you guys know what to do. But I do expect a big drop to happen, and for that to actually happen, I actually will be looking on the 15-minute time frame to actually see and understand which way the markets are starting to move and shift, because that's the best way to actually get into your entries and start actually understanding the overall market. Because smaller candles, you see more structures, you see more engulfing candles, you start to see the overall direction a lot sooner. And it does take a bit of practice, but you can see right here, for example, like, let me show you. So right now, this is looking at obviously a bit bullish, because obviously these are previous highs, and we broke through them, came back down, tested it, big engulfing candle, and obviously if we were looking to go long, I would have gotten in long on this candle close right here. So this is looking to actually go even higher right now, but obviously no entry. No, I'm not entering a short, because we could still touch this channel top and then start moving down and then start breaking these highs. Okay, like there's no actual short guaranteed until we break this structure. Okay, you have to understand that you can't predict it. But obviously that's what I'm actually looking for. Okay, I'm not going to flip bullish until we start getting above 112, 113, 14, 15, finding support here, forming bullish structures, inverse head and shoulders maybe, or maybe even a bull flag to start sending us higher. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so this is starting to look more and more like we are testing the bottom. And what I mean by that is over here on the daily, you can see we are currently trying to test more of this bottom right here. So that is obviously beneficial for us to understand that, okay, we are testing these lows now. We could start to see a potential pump happening soon, or are we going to start falling lower? So that's what we need to start looking for. I think we could actually start coming a bit lower, testing these lows down here before starting to see a bigger pump to the upside. But obviously, dollar cost averaging in will be your best method to get into the market and start taking advantage of these prices, like I'm doing, like the patrons are doing, and what I'm pretty sure a lot of the whales and banks are starting to do as well. So very important you guys understand that and learn that. EMA is looking to cross on the hourly as well. Okay, so you have to be sure you're looking at the markets today. I'll try and inform you patrons as much as I can. We'll be very busy today, but from tomorrow we'll be back to normal. Face cam and everything, so that's obviously good for you guys and good for me as well, because I do enjoy doing this a lot. But if we can try and get 30 likes, that'd be absolutely phenomenal. I hope you guys are enjoying your morning coffee, or maybe you're on the way to work, or maybe you're at work. Yeah, naughty. But let me know what you're doing in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks to all my regulars for your commenting. I really appreciate you guys for supporting the channel and trying to push the video out to more people. But the like button is the best way to get the algorithm to pick this video up. So smash that like button, please, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much.